Hi friends, hello. I will share how to model a little witch. I am using a wood stick, a styrofoam ball 8 centimeters high. I need just a half, and two shape drops 3 centimeters high each one. One I will use like a bust and the other for the head. Connect everything with aluminum tape, leaving a space for the neck. Cover everything. Now we are ready for the legs. Roll a sausage shape, cut in 8 so each leg has 8 centimeters. Make the knee area, and then we will glue around the wood stick. For that purpose, we will leave our impression of the wood and then glue it and connect it or cover the wood stick. So that means that each leg is to one side of the wood stick. Connect also the top of the legs, and then you can still modeling while the legs are already in place. Now let's make the neck and the shoulder. A thick piece rectangle to create the neck and part of the shoulder. Let's make the dress. Roll a very long piece of fondant rectangle. Glue the whole area of the dress, and then we will wrap the dress with the fondant. If this piece is not enough, don't worry, we will add later. So let's start for the front. In the front, the important thing is you cover the front even though there is some folds. Later we will cut the bottom area and also these folds. Now let's make even the back. So the next piece that I will roll, I know that will be more or less in this shape. So roll the fondant, same thickness of the first piece, and then just cut in the shape that you need. Glue it, place it, press, and then you will notice exactly where is the first layer. Overlap and cut the excess. Even the bottom of the skirt, and also cut the excess on the sides. Cut the folds in the skirt and in the bust until this is even. If necessary, add more fondant and then just smooth with water. Now let's cut the back of the shoulders. Our dress is done. Let's continue with the shoes. roll, kind of bean, and then enlarge only one side. Because if you notice, we need the shoe only one side. The other side is covered by the other feet. So just one side. Same again, make an impression with your finger and then enlarge only one part of the shoe. When you have the shape, you can glue it and then connect. You will see this is the back. You see the strips are connected in the back. Now let's make the head. The same amount of the drop shape is the amount that I need of fondant. Press and try to keep as much as possible in the front because we need to make the features of the face. Press in the center, smooth. We will use this tool to create some marks, circle marks for the eyes. If you don't have this tool, you can use a straw. Then mark an angle in the corners of the eyes, so the eye is not totally circled. Push the nose in the top and also from each side. Then smooth again. We will get this profile. Now define the sides of the nose, and at the same time it will define the eyebrows. Define the eyes again, define the nose again, the eyes with the silicone brush, and now let's make the lips. Make 2 holes in each side and then connect it with a very tiny line. Then press the lips and then model as you see in the video. Continue modeling, pressing until you get the lips, the upper lips. Then press a triangle shape to create the chin. Let's paint the eyes. 2 big circles. And then 1 small tiny black circle inside the blue part. Also around the blue part you can define with black. Let's make the eyebrows. And now let's make the eyelashes in fondant. A tiny, very tiny piece, glue it in the center and then accommodate it with a dry brush. Curve a little bit the endings and then do the same for the other eye. Let's place the head. Cut a little bit the neck so it's not too long. Glue it, also the stick, place a little bit of fondant paste in the top and then connect with the head. It's time to make the arms. Let's proceed in the same way as we did with the legs. 1 sausage, divide in 2, and then let's create here in the middle 1 impression to create the elbows and another for the hands. This doll won't have fingers because the hands will be inside the pockets. Cut a little bit the joining to the shoulder and glue all the way around the arm so the arm is supported by the skirt and by the shoulder. Now let's make the sleeves of the dress. roll a little piece, make it circle, and then make some ruffles. Cut in 2 halves. You will get 2 moon shapes. Glue it and just place it on top of the shoulder. Now let's make the pockets. We need 1 rectangle divided in 2, so we have 2 squares. Make some details or texture and then glue only the sides, so the pocket will be still open, will be not totally close to the hands. Now about the hairstyle, we will make some braids, 2 braids. Before to apply the hair makeup, a big strip divided in 3, and then just make the 2 braids. As she will have braids, then we need the ears. So this is a tiny ball. Press it in the center with a ball, and then just get the shape of the ear. Cut the excess from the back. Place the braids, and then as she will have a very big hat, then we only need to cover the back a little bit and also a little bit from the front. But before to know what I need to cover and what not, I will make the hat. So this is my hat. A pyramid shape, tiny, and then make an incision or a hole with a silicone brush, and then insert your finger so it will enlarge as much as possible. We don't want the head so heavy, so I am trying to make the hat empty. Now I know where the head will be, so I will cover a little bit in the front. Once you are happy with the shape of the hair in the front, glue, not before. Cut the excess and cover the other side. So far our doll is almost finished. Now let's place the head, and then she is almost done. Okay friends, I hope you like it. You see that this doll is very easy to do. It's a basic doll. Place the hat, glue it, and that's it. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, please. If you have any comment, do it below. See you in the next video. Bye!